Hello students, welcome to your favorite channel You and World। पिछली वीडियो में आपने हिस्ट्री के पहले लेसन का पार्ट 1 पढ़ा था। इस वीडियो में उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस होंगे। इस वीडियो को बहुत मन लगाकर देखना बच्चों। इसमें मैंने पूरे 40 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हैं, 40 क्वेश्चंस। इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी मैंने बता दिए। इनको आप अपनी हिस्ट्री नोटबुक में लिख लेना। इनको लिख लेने के बाद आप खुद ही ये महसूस करोगे कि पार्ट 1 का पूरा मैटर आपके फिंगर टिप्स में आ गया। लेसन आपको बहुत आसान लगने लगेगा और पार्ट 2 को समझने में कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं होगी। तो फिर शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ MYA? आंसर लिखोगे मिलियन ईयर्स अगो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हेन डिड द फर्स्ट ह्यूमन लाइक क्रीचर्स appeared on the earth's surface? आंसर 5.6 MYA। Question number 3, about how many years ago human beings resembling us originated? Answer 1,60,000 years ago। Question number 4, how did the early men obtain their food? Answer, the early men obtained their food by scavenging, hunting animals and gathering plant produce। Question number 5, what are the sources which help us to understand early human history? Answer, fossils, stone tools, cave paintings। Question number 6, how can fossils be dated? Answer, fossils can be dated either through direct chemical analysis or indirectly by dating the sediments in which they are buried। Question number 7, some people were reluctant to accept the findings of the historians. What did they believe? Answer, they believed in the Old Testament of Bible, according to which human origin was regarded as an act of the creation by God। Question number 8, explain the incident related to the findings in the Neander Valley in 1856। Answer, in August 1856, workmen who were quarrying for limestone in the Neander Valley, a gorge near the German city of Dusseldorf, found a skull and some skeletal fragments. These were handed over to Karl Feuerhut, a local schoolmaster and natural historian who realized that they did not belong to a modern human। He then made a plaster cast of the skull and sent it to the Hermann Schaffhausen, a professor of anatomy at Bonn University। The following year, they jointly published a paper claiming that this skull represented a form of human that was extinct। तो ये आंसर थोड़ा सा बड़ा है। क्यों? क्योंकि एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए लिखा है ना क्वेश्चन में। तो क्वेश्चन में जहाँ एक्सप्लेन होगा वहाँ थोड़ा सा विस्तार से आंसर लिखना होता है। ओके, अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हु रोट द बुक ऑन द ओरिजिन ऑफ स्पीसीज? आंसर, चार्ल्स डार्विन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, व्हाट डिड चार्ल्स डार्विन आर्ग्यू अबाउट द इमर्जेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन्स? Answer, Darwin argued that humans had evolved from animals a long time ago. Question number 11. When did primates emerge? Answer 36 MYA. Question number 12. When did hominoids emerge? Answer 24 MYA. Question number 13. When did hominids emerge? Answer 5.6 MYA. Question number 14. Who were primates? Answer. Primates were mammals, including monkeys, apes, and humans. Question 15. Who were hominoids? Explain their features. Answer. Hominoids were apes with smaller brain. They were quadrupeds walking on fours but with flexible forelimbs. Question number 16. What were their features of hominoids? Question number 16. What were the features of hominids? You should write 4 features. यहाँ पे 4 features लिखोगे, ठीक है? तो 16 का आंसर a large brain, upright posture, bipedal, locomotion and specialization of the hands. Question number 17. What are the 2 types of hominids? Answer. Australopithecus and Homo. Question 18. How are Australopithecus and Homo different from each other? The major differences between Australopithecus and Homo relate to brain size, jaws, and teeth. The former has a smaller brain size, heavier jaws, and larger teeth than the latter. Question number 19. How are hominoids different from monkeys? Answer. Hominoids have a larger body and do not have tails. Infant development period is longer in hominoids. Question number 20. When and where was the discovery of Australopithecus made by Mary Leakey? Answer. 17 July 1959 at Olduvai, George. Question number 21. How are the species of early humans differentiated? Answer. The species of early humans are differentiated in terms of their skull size, jaws, forelimbs and foot bones. Question number 22. Australopithecus retained characteristics suited to life on trees. What were those characteristics? Answer. Long forelimbs, curved hand, foot bones and mobile ankle joints. Question number 23. How did tool making lead to particular developments in bipedalism? Answer. Tool making encouraged more movements of hands. Hands became free to carry objects and infants. This led to upright and long distance walking while foraging and hunting. All these led to increase in size and capacity of brain. Question number 24. When was the evidence of bipedalism found? Answer. 3.6 MYA. Question number 25. Where was the evidence of bipedalism found? Answer. Laetoli, Tanzania and Hadar, Ethiopia. Question number 26. What led to gradual extinction of Australopithecus? Answer. A phase of glaciation or an ice age led to gradual extinction of Australopithecus at around 2.5 MYA. Question number 27. How is the word Australopithecus derived? Answer. It is derived from two Latin words. Austral means southern and Pithecus means ape. Question number 28. What is the meaning of Homo? Answer. Man. Question 29. How are the fossils of Homo classified? The fossils of Homo are classified as Homo habilis dash the tool maker. मतलब होमो हैबिलिस का मीनिंग जो है द टूल मेकर, कॉमा होमो इरेक्टस डैश डालकर लिखोगे द अपराइट मैन, मतलब होमो इरेक्टस वो है जो सीधा खड़े हो सकते थे, एंड होमो सैपियंस डैश डालकर लिखोगे द वाइज मैन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. Where were the fossils of Homo habilis discovered? Answer. Omo in Ethiopia and Olduvai Gorge in Tanzania. The both places are in Africa. Question number 31. Where were the fossils of Homo erectus found? Answer. Both in Africa and Asia. Kubi Fora and West Turkana in Kenya, it is in Africa, and Mojokato and Sangiran in Java, it is in Asia. Question number 32. Where were the earliest fossils of Homo sapiens found? Answer. Heidelberg and Neander Valley in Germany. Question number 33. How are the fossils found in Heidelberg and Neander Valley named? Answer. The fossils found in Heidelberg are called Homo heidelbergensis, and the fossils found in Neander Valley are called Homo neanderthalensis. Question number 34. When did Homo come into existence? Answer. 2.5 MYA. Question number 35. When did the primates come into existence? Answer. 36 MYA. Question number 36. What are fossils? The remains of plants, it is the answer, okay? The remains of plants, comma, animals or human beings which are embedded in rock, turned into stone and preserved for millions of years. Question number 37. What are species? Answer. Species is a group of organisms that can breed to produce fertile offspring. Question number 38. Where did hominids originate? Answer. Africa. Question number 39. What were the two consequences of Ice Age? Answer. Extinction of Australopithecus and emergence of Homo. Question number 40. How are Homo different from Australopithecus? Answer. Homo have a larger brain, reduced jaws and smaller teeth. तो 40 क्वेश्चंस मैंने डिस्कस कर लिए, क्वेश्चन आंसर दोनों मैंने बता दिए. तो इनको हिस्ट्री कॉपी में लिखोगे, ओके, और इनको बहुत अच्छे से लर्न कर लेना. ये पार्ट 1 ख़त्म हो गया. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो होगी वो पार्ट 2 के ऊपर होगी, ठीक है, इसी लेसन का जो पार्ट 2 है वो. तो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर बहुत अच्छे से लर्न करोगे और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करोगे. आज की वीडियो कैसी लगी ये कमेंट बॉक्स में जाकर लिखोगे और मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करोगे और जितने भी फ्रेंड्स हैं सबके साथ शेयर करोगे. ओके, तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. गुड बाय, टेक केयर.